Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the two 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Peel back the grounding tape that secures the touchpad board to the top cover. Remove the three 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins and remove the retention tabs from the cutouts in the top cover. Remove the touchpad board. Important: there are standard and secure versions of the touchpad board. Ensure the correct component has been ordered for the specific notebook being serviced. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.